Onions belong to the Allium family, which also includes garlic, leeks, and chives. These bulbous wonders come in various varieties, from the pungent red onion to the milder sweet onion. Known for their distinctive aroma and flavor, onions have long been a cornerstone of various cuisines, from the spicy curries of India to the savory stews of Europe. The use of onions in cooking dates back thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians revered onions for their symbolism of eternity, while in medieval Europe, they were a dietary staple for peasants and nobility alike. Today, onions are not just a culinary delight, they have become an integral part of global gastronomy, adding depth and complexity to an array of dishes. As we embark on this exploration, keep in mind that our focus is on raw onions, as cooking can alter their nutritional composition. Let's peel back the layers and discover why adding a daily dose of raw onions to your meals might just be the health boost you never knew you needed. Number 1. Immune system. Boost. Raw onions play a pivotal role in fortifying your immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells, your body's defense against pathogens and harmful invaders. Sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, exhibit antimicrobial properties that enhance immune resilience. Research suggests that quercetin, found in onions, regulates the immune system, ensuring an effective response to threats without becoming overactive. Say goodbye to sniffles. The antiviral and antibacterial properties of raw onions make them a natural remedy for combating colds and flu. Number 2. Heart health. Raw onions contribute to heart health by lowering levels of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or bad cholesterol, which can lead to arterial plaque buildup. Sulfur compounds regulate cholesterol levels, promoting a healthier balance between LDL and high-density lipoprotein, HDL. Allicin supports blood vessel function, improving circulation and lowering the risk of cardiovascular issues. Quercetin and sulfur compounds work synergistically to relax blood vessels, promoting optimal blood flow and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Number 3. Digestive health. Raw onions are a digestive ally, thanks to their rich fiber content. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and maintaining digestive health. Onions act as prebiotics, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gastrointestinal well-being. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to health issues like arthritis and heart disease. Quercetin, a powerful antioxidant in onions, inhibits inflammatory compounds, reducing inflammation throughout the body. Regular consumption may alleviate joint pain and stiffness associated with inflammatory conditions. For fitness enthusiasts, quercetin reduces post-exercise inflammation and muscle soreness. Number 5. Cancer prevention. Thanks to compounds like sulforaphane and quercetin, raw onions are a potent weapon against cancer. Sulforaphane inhibits cancer cell growth, while quercetin's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects help prevent certain cancers, such as colorectal, gastric, and breast cancers. Number 6. Blood sugar regulation. For individuals managing diabetes, raw onions are noteworthy for their chromium content. Chromium improves insulin sensitivity, aiding better blood sugar regulation. Sulfur compounds in onions increase insulin production, lowering blood sugar levels naturally. Number 7. Respiratory health. Raw onions' sulfur compounds exhibit antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that alleviate respiratory issues, alleviate coughs, congestion, and seasonal allergies. Quercetin stabilizes mast cells, reducing histamine release and allergy symptoms. Number 8. Bone health. Raw onions support strong bones by providing nutrients like calcium and vitamin C. Calcium strengthens bones, while vitamin C promotes collagen formation for bone structure. Regular consumption may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Number 9. Skin and hair benefits. The antioxidants in raw onions combat free radicals responsible for premature aging, promoting smoother and more youthful skin. Sulfur, a key component of keratin, strengthens hair and reduces breakage, contributing to healthy, luscious locks. Number 10. Detoxification. Raw onions aid the body's detox processes by supporting liver function. sulfur compounds neutralize toxins, promoting elimination through urine and sweat. This detoxification benefits overall well-being and enhances skin health. Number 11. Vision protection. Raw onions' antioxidants, including quercetin and vitamin A, protect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and promote overall eye health. Vitamin A supports retina function and improves low light and color vision. Finally, number 12. Weight management. With their low calorie density and high fiber content, raw onions aid weight management. Fiber promotes satiety, reducing overeating and supporting healthy portion control. In conclusion, the health benefits of raw onions are remarkable, ranging from immune support to cancer prevention. We'd love to hear your experiences and creative recipes featuring raw onions. Share your insights and join the conversation about this humble yet powerful vegetable. As always, consult with healthcare professionals for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Here are some simple and versatile ways to prepare and enjoy raw onions. 1. Salads. Slice red, white, or sweet onions thinly and toss them into your favorite salads. Combine with cucumbers, tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette for a refreshing mix. Add pickled onions for extra zing. 2. Sandwiches and wraps. Add raw onion slices to sandwiches, burgers, or wraps for crunch and flavor. Use them in pita wraps with hummus and fresh vegetables. 3. Salsas and dips. Finely dice onions and mix with tomatoes, cilantro, lime juice, and jalapenos for a classic salsa. Add chopped onions to guacamole or yogurt-based dips for added texture and taste. 4. Pickled onions. Quick pickle onions by soaking thin slices in vinegar, sugar, and salt for 30 minutes. Use as a topping for tacos, burgers, or salads. 5. Onion slaw. Combine thinly sliced onions with shredded cabbage and carrots and toss with a tangy dressing for a fresh slaw. 6. Raw onion chutneys. Blend onions with herbs, lemon juice, and a touch of spice to create a flavorful chutney or relish. 7. Toppings for soups and stews. Use finely chopped raw onions as a garnish for soups, lentils, or curries for a fresh kick. 8. Onions with lemon and salt. Toss thinly sliced onions with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon juice for a quick and simple side dish. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed discovering the amazing health benefits and versatile ways to enjoy raw onions. Remember, adding this humble vegetable to your daily meals can boost your health in countless ways. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let us know in the comments how you incorporate raw onions into your meals or share your favorite recipes. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.